This are easy to use. This are highly durable. This is manufactured in China. Highly specified wire grades. Constructed with internal holding plate to ensure consistency and safety. Even balance provides smooth performance. Wire is 100% inspected to meet demanding quality specifications. 6 Crimp Bench Wire WHL, 5/8-half ARBOR, Med. Equipped with knotted wire for heavy material removal, DEWALT Bench Grinder Brushes are crafted from highly specified wire grades with an internal holding plate to ensure consistency and safety. Balanced construction delivers smooth performance. Crimped wire provides flexibility. Top reviews from the United States. DEWALT quality as usual. Typical DEWALT quality. Too bad big box chains are not stocking these anymore.